Hello student of class 9. It is exercise 9.3 areas of parallelograms and triangle. Today I will explain you part 3 of this exercise from question number 8. It's okay. The question is XY is a line parallel to side BC of a triangle ABC. ABC is the triangle and XY is a line parallel to BC. So, okay. If BE is parallel to AC and CF is parallel to AB, meet XY at E and F respectively, show that area of triangle ABE and ACF are equal. Okay, area of triangles are equal. Now BE is parallel to CY. BE is parallel to CY. It is actually parallel to AC. We can write it CY. It's part of this AC. And BC is parallel to EY. Okay, therefore BCYE is a parallelogram. Now triangle ABE and parallelogram BCYE are on the same base EB or BE, and between same parallels BE and AC. Okay, therefore area of triangle is equal to half of area of parallelogram. So, okay. Now next, again this side, again BX is parallel to CF. BX is parallel to CF and BC is parallel to XF. Okay, therefore BCFX is a parallelogram. Now triangle ACF and parallelogram BCFX, this parallelogram, if you hide this much part, okay, this side, they are on the same base FC or CF, and between same parallels CF and AB. Okay, therefore area of triangle ACF is equal to half of area of parallelogram BCFX. Okay, now these two relation we have got, relation 1 and 2. Now these two parallelograms, parallelogram BCYE and BCFX, these two parallelograms are on the same base BC and between same parallels BC and EF. Therefore area of this parallelogram are equal. So the area of parallelogram BCYE is equal area of parallelogram BCFX. Now as these two parallelogram are equal, therefore these two relation 1 and 2, left hand side must be equal. So area of triangle ABAE is equal area of triangle ACF. So okay, it is proved. Now question number 9, the sides AB and parallelogram ABCD is produced to any point P, a line through A and parallel to CP. Now check it here, side AB and parallelogram ABCD is side AB. Okay, or parallelogram ABCD. So okay, is produced to any point P. Okay, produced to P, a line through A and parallel to CP. This is parallel to CP. So okay, meet CB produce at Q. Then parallelogram PBQ this much. Okay, PBQR is completed. Show that area of ABCD, okay, is equal to area of PBQR. These two areas are, okay, these two parallelograms, their areas are equal. We have to prove. Got it? Now join AC and PQ. AC and PQ. Okay, triangle AQC, this triangle, and AQP lie on the same base AQ, and between same parallels AQ and CP has given. These two are parallel. Okay, therefore area of triangle AQC is equal to AQP. One relation we have got. By subtracting area of PQB, this one, area of AQB, this much part, if you subtract from these two triangle, only this much part will get. So subtract this. So area of triangle AQC minus area of parallelogram AQB is equal to area of triangle AQP minus area of triangle AQB. Okay, now if you minus this, we are getting area of triangle ABC, this much part ABC, and from this side it is QBP. Okay, these two triangle, their areas are equal. Now half of parallelogram ABCD, it is the half of parallelogram this triangle, because diagonal divide the triangle in two triangle, divide the parallelogram in two triangles of equal area. Okay, so this half of parallelogram, it is also half of this parallelogram. Okay, now hence parallelogram AB, if you cancel half on half, so parallelogram, area of parallelogram ABCD is equal area of parallelogram PBQR. It is proved. Next, question number 10. Diagonals AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD with AB is parallel to DC. AB is parallel to DC. Intersect each other at O. Prove that area of triangle AOD is equal to area of triangle BOC. Okay, these two triangles, their area are equal. We have to prove. Now, it is a trapezium. So, AB is parallel to CD. Triangle ABC and ABD. ABC and ABD. These two triangles on the same base AB and between same parallel AB and DC. Therefore, area of triangle ABD is equal to ABC. That first relation we have got. Now, if you minus this triangle and this triangle you have got, if you minus AOB from both the triangle, so if you minus AOB this side and minus AOB this side, we can get it area of triangle AOD is equal area of triangle AOD is equal to BOC. Sorry, it is BOC. Okay, AOD is equal BOC. Thank you. Next question is question number 11. In figure ABCDE, ABCDE, it is a pentagon. Okay, a line through B, parallel to AC, through B parallel to AC. Okay, meet DC produce at F. Show that area of triangle ACB, this triangle is equal to ACF. These two triangles area is equal. And next is area of AEDF, this. Okay, quadrilateral as is equal to A, B, C, D, E, this pentagon. Okay. Now, area of triangle ACB, ACB and ACE are on the same base, AC, and between same parallels AC and BF. Therefore, area of triangle ACF is equal, or ACB is equal ACF. Okay, it's the first relation. Now, adding with this triangle, these two triangle, add this much part. Okay, adding ACDE on both sides of the triangle, both sides of the relation 1, we can get it triangle this plus the quadrilateral this, and this side is triangle this one and quadrilateral this. We are getting area of pentagon ABCDE is equal area of quadrilateral AEDF. Okay. Now, next part I will explain you from question number 12 to question number